you go back on the inside. Drive fake flat. Slaughter, yes sir! Oh no, bakit?
Offensive foul.
Team Santa Maria.
Number 2.
Whoop. At the middle. Slowly moving. Pull up game. Bucket and one. And
At the middle.
Fires. Bucket for two. Looking for the inbound. Looking for the receiver. At the corner. Step back. Launches three. Bang! Okay. Bucket for two. And passes.
Long shot 3.
Bang! Rebound! Pasod sa
Mensa.
Oh, binabitin! Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Game 2 semifinals ng Bulacan Intertown para sa laban ng Giginto at Santa Maria.
Makata Cup 2024 semifinals game 2. Shout out Brasco Manila. Sir, thank you.
Shout out kay Idol na laging nanonood sa vlog natin. Hi kay Idol. Ayun. And here you go, it's the jump ball. And first ball to Tata. Number 25, pass inside, libre, the floater. Won't go. And still, rebound para kay Gomez. Gomez, over to Duan. Tumalagsak, tinira. Wala. And here's Francisco, basket to number 11. Hope natapikan. Naagawan, one versus two. And fade away shot. No, uy! Dayagi pa! Go here. Team Santa Maria. Bounce pass. Up, stop at the middle. Number 25 here, drag. Go. Offensive foul. Just like Dayan. Dayan, sa gitna. Purok, nice dinan. Pass sa gilid. Big! Foul! And at the corner, pass sa gitna. Potter! And basket. Yung Giginto. Dayan, pass to Gomez. Gomez dito. Ay, nilusukan yung tatlo. Behind on. Naagawan mga idol, natapikan. Oop, naagawan ni Gomez. Pass-break ngayon ng Dayan. Bobby Nagus! Ginasa kay number 4. And number 88, Francisco. Number 3. Nago, battle for rebound here. Recovered. Pull up Jay. He won't go back. Catch fire. And the pass of the glass. Gomez. Nararate. Lapit ang dalawa. Natapikan. And Villanueva. Bumangga. Wala. Tumalaksak dito. Leza. Jangan ka mag-rebound. Tulog ko kayo dalawa. Nangalutod. Hop! And Francisco here. Pass to number 25. Ginulong ng dalawa. Na-recover. Pagping si Idol. Javier. Sinasa sa gitna. Number 3 away. Stop. Pull up Jay. Bakit for two? Number 22 dito. Rakal. Sasalaksak. And number 11 here. Diretso. Behind the pass. Fake shot. And the finish. Tatlong pasa. Pass inside. Fire off the window. Bakit for two? And here you go. Ronnie Del. Pass it to Rosal. Rosal. Aatake mula sa gitna. Pass on the inside. Pinasa pa na recover. Fires won't go. Battle for rebound here. And ball out of bounds. And for the inbound here, looking for the receiver. Pass it the middle. Inside. Blaze up. Pasok siya. And yung scope nata. Naagawan na naman. Diretso sa Idol. Blaze up. Basket and one. Landayan. 14 Giginto. Tumisinyas dito. Landayan, 1-on-1. Nasik. Ready space fire. Bagged for two. For the rebound pull-up game. Bagged for two. Rosal at the middle. Slowly moving. Stop pull-up game. Bagged and one. And here you go, Rosal. Crossover drives. Pass on the corner. Fade away shot in the bucket. And here you go, team 1. Dito. Behind the back dribble. Landayan dito. Didistarte mula sa gitna. Stop. Fake. Drive. Number 11. Floater. Resurrection. Number 2. Resurrection dito. Setting the play. Rosal. Didistarte. Slowly moving down. Up. Stop. Face pass inside. Ang gandang pasa sa loob. And it's Team Santa Maria. Number 2. Baseball pass sakto kay Landayan. Landayan. Uy! Natabang ang Dexter. And the bucket. Nakawag dosay sa Idol. Javier to Gomez. Javier. Javier Raj. Pass shoot. Here you go, Team Santa Maria. Cross pass. Pass it to number 2 to number 8. Pass back, number 2. Number 2. Drives at the middle. Nakagawan dito. Mensa, 3 versus 2. Bounce pass. Nauna silang Dayan of the window. Bucket for 2. Resurrection here. Crosses the mid lane. Umatake. Oh, what a move! Resurrection. Gomez nagmamadalig. Sinalag sa kahom. Ang ganang pasa. Kicks out. Mensa, behind the back pass. Total to Palpal. Stop, don't stray. No good. Rebound in. Pinasa. Libre sa loob. Fire. Total to wala pa rin. Grabing play yun. What a defense coming from Team Santa Maria. And here you go, Resurrection. Pass to number 16 here. And Ligium on the corner, wide coming for 3. No good, battle for rebound. Makukuha dito ni Landayan. Landayan, pasto laban sa isa, stop. And attack, raise, foul. And for the inbound here, Gomez, Sumatran, straight stage. Mensa for the inbound here and looking for the receiver, only play. What a play, backdoor play. And here's Team Santa Maria dribbling the ball at the middle. Stops, pass inside, fakes fire. Hook shot, bucket for 2. Rebound dito behind the back dribble. Landayan nagmamadali. Bounce pass, ang gandang pasa, fakes. Hook shot. And the friendly roll. Billion inbound here. Pass it to Legum. Up, crossover. Lulusutan. Kumahanap ng butas si Stop. So, cross pass there. Uy, nadulas si Idol. Traveling. Gomez, up. At the middle. Gomez, kumahanap dito ng butas. Dumeretso. Pass to the middle. Javier, pass at the mid-range. Bucket for fires. Won't go. Rebound by Javier. Kapasod sa Mensa. Oh, binabitin. Megus. Team Santa Maria. And passes his launch at 3. Bam! Rebound! Landayan here. Stops, pass to Mensa. Mensa dito. Ang import ng team. Pull up J. Floater. Oh, bucket for 2. Pass break. All alone. Mensa. Dakdak. Oh, nag-leading pa si Idol. Rosal is slowly moving down. Rosal lays up. Oh, bucket for 2, Rosal iniwan na lahat. Dire-diretso, nabitawan at naagawan. All alone here. Yes, sir. Easy bucket. Number 14 here at the middle. Pinasa kay Rosal. Launches 3. No good. Off the mark. Villanueva. Nabitawan ng bola, na-recover. Mario gilid. 1-3 ball. Wild open sa 3. No good. Rebound dito. Para kay number 14 ng Santa Maria. Talavera, pass to the middle. One extra pass fire. Pasok yan. Number 11 at the mid of the board. Stop. Pass it to Villanueva. Villanueva, tackle that. Pull up niya 3. No good. Rebound dito para kay Aquino. To Rosal. Rosal, pass to number 14 Salarza. Salarza spins. Nakalusot, pinasa pa sa gitna of the window. Bakit yung 14 dito? Oh, nadulas si Idol. At libreng-libre na si Idol. Napakabalo naman. Crossover. Lantayan, pass to the corner. Stop home. And here's number 14, crossover. And passes to Rosal. Rosal holding the ball. Drives. Pinasa sa gitna. Wild open sa gitna. Oh! At the free throw line. Gomez. Gomez. Tumagilid. Pinasa ngayon kay Lantayan. Pass back. Gomez. Gomez sa doon. Short. Rebound na Gino. Baseball pass. And doon, dalawa sila sa baba. Pinabitin pa. Pasakyan. And here's Gomez. Pass to Lantayan. Lantayan. Pass inside. Alley-oop pass and using the window. And yes sir, the inbound looking for the receiver at the corner. Space. Back launches 3. Bang! Buzzer beater. And here go pass on the inside. Drive fake flat. Slaughter. Yes sir. Oh no, bucket. Offensive foul. Rosal at the middle. Pass on the inside. Hook shot. No good. Rebound by Landayan. Landayan. Oops. Miscommunication there but recovered behind the back pass. And at the middle. Fires. Bucket for 2. Corner. Stop. Pass to the middle. Fake. Drives. Step back again for 3. Short. Rebound. Fake. Reverse fly out there of the window and a friendly rock. Crosses the mid lane. Gomez, si Vistarte, Tumisinyas. Still Gomez dribbling the ball. Drives. Attacks. Kicks out. Landayan there for the quarter of the window. No good. Battle in the rebound for Team Santa Maria. And here's Rosal. Rosal dito, ibababa ang bola. Rosal drives. Side step. Kinaliwa. Bucket for 2. Drives, pull up Jay at the free throw line. Yes, sir. And his team Giginto. Stop, pass to Mensa. Pass inside. Javier fake. Drinag yung dalawa, reverse fly up. Pinalis yung dalawa. Rosal drives, kicks out. On the corner fake. Umatake, pinasa, no! And Aquino sa finish. Baseball pass. And now, Landayan all alone. Easy basket. Direction pass to Pinta and natapikan. Gomez, bumangga pa. Stop to Landayan. Ispendog. Oh, yung ulo. Nakadali yung ulo. Inbound. The bounce pass number 3. Attack. Raise up. Oh, what a move. And it's Team Santa Maria, number 11. Tuloy-tuloy, Supangpay. And the pass break now. Landayan, all alone, lays up. Easy bucket. Pass it to number 20 and it's there. Cross pass, number 20. At the middle, wide open sa case. Bang! Goal up! And here you go, crossover, spin move. Pass inside X. Pass inside. Oh, extra pass. And the bucket pass. Pass break ngayon. Pass inside. Libre-libre. Easy bucket. Legum. Legum using the clock. Pass it to number 11. Rupinta. Rupinta. Cross pass. Stolen. And now, Landayan all alone at the buzzer. The referee says no. Gomez, pass it to Mensa. Corner, take. Step back. Fakes. Bounce pass. Attack. Pilas extra pass and the finish of the glass ng Team Santa Maria. Cross pass there on the corner drive phase. And Magan for two. Setting the play. Stop. Pass it to number 7. 4-3. Short. Nagalusot. Rosal. Kicks on the corner. Launches 3. Villanueva here. Between the legs dribble. Spin. Stop. Pass to Gomez. Gomez. Side step. Bounce pass. Fires. Mensa. Wala. Nagkakagawan. Up. Jacinto. Pass to Rosal. Rosal 1-on-1 with Villanueva. Pinamegos. Rebound. Putback shot. One and hook. Pasok yan. Rosal. Natapikan. Na-recover. Bounce pass inside. The connection. And that's it pass. Forward for 3. No good. Rebound Aquino. To Rosal. Rosal strongly holding it. Rosal dito. Between the legs dribble. Pass on the inside. What a connection again. Gomez. Pass to Javier Sting. Natapikan. Pass break na yun. And 1-on-1. 5. And lucky bounce. Villanueva. Bounce pass. Fire. To Palpal. Recovered. Takes clutch. 5. And off the glass. Pass break. Takes clutch. Fire of the window. Yes sir. Rosal. Rosal. Stops. Pull up J. Bucket for 2. And the fast break 1-on-1. Pull at the 3. No good. Rebound. Putback shot. And yes. Bilit-bit si Bucket. Landayan dito. Landayan. Nilasa kay number 3. Oh, kaagawan dito. Fire. No good. Rebound. Putback shot. And laki. Landayan. Satres. Satres Javier. Bang! 3 points.